Hey guys, Ivan here from All About Window Tools. In today's video, we'll explore some cool window features from using the search function, checking the registry, using the Microsoft Management Console, and working with the libraries, and quick access. So if you're just a student just like me and just curious about how window really work, stay tuned because this will help you understand how to manage and customize your system. So let's start. So we're gonna talk about is use the Windows search function. So first we're gonna log in Windows 10 or 11 computer, and we're gonna look for search button. You see something like search the web in window or asking if Cortina is enabled. So here's this one. So we're gonna type file. And you will notice that window automatically starts showing search result while you type. So we're gonna click the file explorer in the result to open it. So this is my file. You're gonna see some of my work in here. Then you're gonna close it again. So now let's try something else. So in the search box again, we're gonna type explorer dot x. Then press enter again. This will also open File Explorer. Then we can go to click this, and next we're gonna type is command prompt, CMD, or as we call it, command prompt. Let's open that. Once we open this, we're gonna see this Microsoft Windows version in the command prompt system. So in the next step, we're gonna click or type GIR. So as you can see my files here. This files in folders you're gonna see. So we're gonna type another one, just dir again, and we're gonna add /a. This will show all the hidden system files. So that's it. That's for this video. In that how you use the Windows search and command prompt effectively. So thank you for watching and learning with me about this window. So thank you and goodbye.